I'm Dr. Nishanth. I run a clinic called IMEX Care. I'm an orthodontist and a medical cosmetologist. We work from Whitefield. Implants are usually a major preferred option because they surpass the expectations of any other prosthetic appliance. From removable appliances which have plates but they cause bone resorption underneath, to fixed prostheses where the resorption still continues and there may be food logging, there would be the bridges cracking down. Also, you might have to sacrifice a few other natural teeth just for support. Implants help you replace the same tooth, if in a case of a single tooth, by just giving you a single implant and a crown right in the place of the missing tooth. Or in multiple teeth missing options, implants could be used to give dentures on top of them or just teeth. This would retain as long as the bone is intact, not depending on the teeth adjacent to the site. To watch more videos for frequently asked questions to doctors, subscribe to Doctor's Circle.